With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, if the resultant of two force has a magnitude smaller than, this is must be smaller here, smaller than the magnitude of the large force, then the two force must be A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct. So the solution of this question is, let us suppose we have the two magnitude here. Let's suppose two forces are F, small f and capital F, and F is smaller force and capital F is larger force. So we can draw the resultant force here. So in this direction, in this direction we have larger force F vector, and in this we have the smaller force, that is smaller force here. And let us suppose these are two sides of the parallelogram, then the resultant is given by diagonal of this. So here is the resultant force, that is capital F plus small f. So this is our R here, resultant force. So we can write here our resultant force is this is F plus F here, small f and capital F. Here is angle theta. So if we take the magnitude of the resultant force, so the magnitude of resultant force is equals to, so we have to here also take magnitude, as resultant is magnitude of smaller and larger force. So this is F and F. So this is our resultant force. So we have, we take the magnitude as, we have to square and add here. So we have, this is F vector square, that is larger force plus smaller force plus 2, and this is F and this is F, and we have the cos theta here, and this is cos theta here. So from this we get resultant force is equals to, this is equals to, and it given condition is that the resultant force has magnitude smaller than the magnitude of larger force. So from this we can write here, this is smaller than larger force. So this is our here. So our resultant force will be equals to, so we can write here, if we square both sides, so we get this is F square, larger force square, and this is smaller force here square, and this is larger in smaller, and this is cos theta, and this must be less than, this is the larger force square, as we have squared both sides. So this and this will cancel out. So we left with smaller force, and this is 2F, and this is F, and this is cos theta. This is less than, not equal, we have to, given condition is only less than 0, and if we take this on the right hand side, so we get this square is less than minus 2 time of F vector and F vector and cos theta, and we know that theta is negative. We get this value positive only if theta is lies between pi, theta is pi by 2 or pi. So in this cos theta is negative. So now we check accordingly, according to option, which option is correct here. So different, both in force must be different, both in magnitude and direction. So this is incorrect here. If here direction is correct, but it doesn't depend on the magnitude. If the direction is given and here theta is given, then this option will be correct. But here no theta is given, so this is incorrect. If they are mutually perpendicular to each other, so this is also incorrect here. As here we have the 0, this term will become 0. So this force will be greater than the resultant force is greater than larger, the magnitude of the larger force. If it doesn't depend on the magnitude, so C option is also incorrect. And point in opposite direction, this is correct here. If they point in opposite direction like this, if one force is acting in this and one force is then in this direction, so by subtracting we get the negative force here, that is smaller. So our option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.